Now that you see what Bubble can do, we're going to take a look at what type of experience you can build for your users. An application can have as many pages as you need. To add more, use the Pages dropdown. Here's an example profile page as if our application was for photo sharing. Within minutes, you can have a profile page just like this, where you can view all of the images associated to the user and click them for a larger view. For a social networking app, you could take this even further and build a follower system, comments or threads for a photo, and even add an upvote or like button. And this is scratching the surface. Building an experience like this is as easy as leveraging the elements Bubble gives you. For example, let's take a look at how the profile experience was built. In the Data tab, we have a custom photo data type. This custom data type controls all the photos users would upload to our app. And like everything else, you can do it with just a few clicks. All the photo data type needs is one field for accepting an image. Once we add photos to our database, we display it on the user profile and retrieve them dynamically. On the profile page, we display a list using the container type called repeating group. This is one of Bubble's most powerful elements that you will use frequently as you build your app. You may have been wondering how to display information like this. Repeating groups repeat the design in the first cell for all of the remaining cells. When you look at its property editor, a repeating group needs two things: a type of content and a data source. For our photo gallery, we expect photos, so that is our type of content. For our data source, we are telling Bubble to search through our photos database. We then constrain the search to only find the photos uploaded by the user whose profile we're viewing. An experience like this in Bubble takes only a few minutes to craft, and with even more powerful elements at your disposal, you'll start to build more complex apps. Try experimenting with repeating groups and see for yourself. In the next lesson, we're going to learn how to deploy and scale this application.